Hey, 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 hey,
We're
hey, hey, hey.
We're
Back with Imagine Dragons, Children of the Sky. I don't know
I'm a child of the sky.
of this group or band or whatever. It's my first
It's
time.
called a band, you moron. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, but if they don't play instrument and they sing, they're not that much of a band.
They play guitars.
But
Air
yeah.
guitars.
Anyway, let's see what they have.
Some days when I'm dreaming, I think of how far I have come. All my lives led to this, and now I see what I've become. I always had doubted that I could ever be someone that mattered, that shattered all these glass ceilings up. But all that I want is to see all the things that I could be. Destiny's calling me. Children of the sky, flying up so high. Let me be that one to find the brightest sun.
This man is snapping.
Children of the sky, guided by the light. Let me reach new heights, stars amongst the night. Children of the sky. I cannot give up hope, though there are storms within my seas. Won't turn back when I lack. Sometimes it's hard just to believe. I've wanted to save us from ourselves. Just wanted to raise up to save us from ourselves. All that I want is to see all the things that we could.
How do you rate the song so far?
It's a very strong song. So 7.
First things first,
Could be destinies calling me. Children of the sky, flying up so high. Let me be that one to find the brightest sun. Children of the sky, guided by the light.
doesn't this look like an umbilical cord?
Yeah, exactly. That's all I'm like. In the sky, what do you need that for?
You kind of need it, no?
I don't know. I've never been there. I don't know anybody who has. Still waiting for selfies.
I watched Fantastic Four, so I know how it should be.
Guided by the light. Let me reach new heights, stars amongst the night. When we look back, what will we see? We were a part of everything. Up in the heavens, down to the seas. We were a part of everything. When we look back, what will we see? We were a part of everything. Up in the heavens, down to the seas. We a part of everything. Children of the sky, flying up so high. Children of the sky, take me to new heights. We're children of the.
Okay. The visuals are very good, especially for the type of
The
concept they
Imagine
had.
Dragons lead singer or singer He has a nice voice. He has a very nice voice.
Yeah,
Well,
it's a lot of
it's
presence.
distinct. Let me just say that he has a very distinct voice. But yeah,
The visuals are crazy.
yeah, the visual crazy.
Because
The
a lot of
shots are
people,
crazy.
a lot of people will mess this up when they have like this type of thing because they can't get it like up to like a good standard. So the visuals are good. Like they damn near movie quality and stuff.
A Starfield song. Is this a soundtrack?
Yeah, it probably
Possibly.
seems like it. Would make sense. Anyway, guys, please like, subscribe, and
Yes.
suggest. Please
Suggest.
suggest videos for us to
Comment
react to.
section is always
We'll react to
empty,
that.
guys.
We'll give you a shout out when we do that. Yeah, it was a cool video. Imagine Dragons showing out of the sky. Otherwise, let's see each other on the other videos that we have coming up.